All right, we're looking at question number 5 of the JAMB 2015 math exam, and we're given this triangle, and we're asked to find the value of x. Trigonometry questions are extremely easy, but that statement is true only if you have memorized a lot of the trigonometric identities. Without a solid memory of these identities, you stand a very slim chance of solving these types of problems. So I highly recommend that you look at the description of this video to find a link to the JAMB Math formula sheet that I've provided, and you'll see a comprehensive list of the trigonometric identities you need to memorize in order to do well on these JAMB exams. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and solve this problem. One identity that we should all be familiar with is that the three angles in every triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if this angle is 30 and this next one is 60, the total at 90, that means this third angle is actually 90 degrees. It's a right triangle. Now that we know that this is a right triangle, this opens up more options for us because there's a whole bunch of trigonometric identities that we can use whenever we're dealing with a right triangle. And one of them is that we know that the definition of tangent is the adjacent over the opposite angle. So for example, if we wanted to find the tangent of 60, the tangent of 60 degrees, this is this angle here, it is going to be equal to the opposite side, which happens to be x, over the adjacent side. So the side adjacent to the 60-degree angle is this 10 centimeters. We have quickly been able to draw a formula that can help us solve this problem. Now you can use your knowledge of trigonometry to figure out that the tangent of 60 is equal to the square root of 3. Or you could use other trigonometric identities to determine the relative lengths of the three sides, because this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. There are many approaches you could use, but in my case, I looked up the value of tangent of 60 degrees, and it is the square root of 3. So now it's quite easy to solve for x. We know that x divided by 10 is equal to square root of 3. If we multiply both sides by 10, we end up with x is equal to 10 times the square root of 3. And that's the answer.